Kyrie Irving and his Anta family continue to bring the NBA star's story to life through sneakers. The latest highlight? The ANTA KAI 2 clutch, a special edition celebrating one of Irving's most iconic moments, the game-winning three-pointer in Game 7 of the 2016 NBA Finals. Facing the Golden State Warriors, Kyrie stayed calm under pressure and sank the shot over Stephen Curry with less than a minute left, sealing the championship for the Cleveland Cavaliers. The KAI 2 clutch perfectly captures that moment. It features a sleek black ice design, reflecting Kyrie's ice-cold focus, while hints of black and gold pay homage to the Cavs' uniforms during that historic game. Every detail tells the story of determination, precision, and championship legacy. For sneakerheads and NBA fans alike, this release is a must-see. Check out detailed shots of the sneaker and mark your calendars. The ANTA KAI 2 clutch drops on Saturday, December 20th, priced at $125 on anta.com. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of basketball history.